All right, we are going to do ors and ands now. An or event, the full definition is that an outcome can be in the event A or B, which the proper mathematical notation for that is a union sign for this or. It's like a big U, but not a U with a little tail. It's just the U sign for union. A or B is how we read that. And an outcome is in this event, A or B, if it is in either A or B, or it could possibly be in both. Right? Again, this is called a union. So let's just look at a quick example to help you understand. You're like, why is she emphasizing the word or? All right, here we have some situation. I didn't give context into it, but I show you that the sample space for event A, or sorry, the possible outcomes for event A are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The possible outcomes for event B are 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We want to define A or B. This event A or B. What elements are in A or B? Well, when you do these, I kind of think of it as like a sandwich, or maybe not a sandwich, but a smushing together, a melding together of two possible events of two different sets. So we take all of the events from A and all of the events from B, and we just don't write any repeats. So A or B is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we already have 4 and 5. In set notation like this, you never ever write repeats. So we just say 6, 7, 8. So you see all of the pieces are represented somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how we get an or. It's like an overlap. An and event, an outcome is in the event A and B, which mathematically is written with this intersect symbol. It's a upside down U, all right? It's kind of a very rounded kind of dome. We say it's in the intersect. If it is in both A and B, it has to be that overlap area. If you're looking at a Venn diagram, it has to be the section that is shared between both of those outcomes. So here we're only looking for the repeats. Only the repeats get to live in A and B. So that's going to be 4 and that's going to be 5. Those are the only two pieces that were repeated in both sets. So A and B are just the elements 4 and 5. Now, before I move on to that next video, I want to help you with this mathematical notation and just one way that I remember it. When you have an or, it's like you're paddling your boat. What do you paddle your boat with, or your canoe? You paddle it with an oar. All right, or to paddle boat. And if you look at that or symbol, it looks like the front view of a boat, or maybe a really, really spiked side view. All right. And for the and is very similar to the word ant. Hill. Right, like a little mound, or you could see it as this is almost an A. I just put one little cross on there with the A for the ant hill. So just a way to kind of help you remember which symbol is which there.